don't do everything. You require to concentrate only on higher level activities. You have to concentrate only on higher level activities. The activities which are going to provide highest results. The activities which are going to provide highest results with respect to the money, with respect to the happiness. Like we require to spend the time there only. Remember that. Okay. So identify your zone of genius. Next, where you are going to get more money, where you are going to get more happiness. There only you require to spend your time. Remember, okay? So that thing is by default considered as yes, production. Have you remember right? There is a one quadrant, one box I explained. Drip matrix. Drip matrix, like I explained. Delegation, replacement, investment, and production. Like there is a concept I explained. Most of our time we require to spend either in production or in investment. Okay, or in investment. Beyond that, we should not spend the time in the delegation. We should not spend the time in the replacement. Okay, like we discussed at this point, right? Okay, like so identify your priorities. You require to spend only in the priorities. Okay, like second point, what you have to be aware is in your day-to-day activities, there are some activities are there. These activities are completely useless. Why you are doing, you don't know the reason also, but I'm doing blindly. Array, are you getting any money? No. Are you getting any happiness? No. Just I'm doing casually, I'm doing. Okay, like such a type of activities you have to remove. Remember this one. If you are not getting benefit, if you are not getting happiness, then why you are doing such type of activities? At least identify such type of activity at least once and remove blindly from that, from your list. Okay, that's also, sir, after by completing this series, I removed one such type of activity. Okay, if you really do this, then you got highest benefit from this series. Believe me, sir. Okay, so you require to remove complete useless activities. Okay, which are no longer required to do the shift delete you require to use permanently. Today onwards, I'm no longer going to do that. Like that, you have to tell. Okay, well. Next, the third point what you have to be aware is, okay, low level activities which you can't avoid, compulsory must be required. Then you require to delegate. Delegation must be required. Delegation is the mantra. It is the shortcut for your success, for your growth, for your exponential growth. Delegation, compulsory you people should require to use. There is no doubt at all in that. Clear for you people? Okay, so delegation, remove useless activities, maintain priorities. You require to work on only on priorities like. Next, there is a replacement ladder and clone yourself like. There are some concepts I explained. Step by step, replace yourself. Step by step, replace yourself so that you will be free from the system, so that the system is automatically going on. Replacement ladder, step by step, rung by rung, you require to replace. You require to replace so that what will happen is, so you are free from the system. You will get complete freedom. Next, the most valuable concept, the most connected concept yesterday, the most connected concept yesterday is clone yourself. Clone yourself. So I never had this type of terminology, man. Clone yourself. Okay, like so instead of one Durga Sir taking the session, if 20 members are going to take the session, okay, we guided in that style. So how is telling the same style, the remaining people also telling, can you please imagine once how much growth, how much it will be, right? This is the goosebumps concept. I never heard this one. First time I'm hearing. Yeah, really, this type of possibility is also there. Like clone yourself. Wonderful concept. Wonderful concept. Yesterday, after completing our session, one student made a phone call. Sir, what a concept, sir, today we discussed. Okay, really something new concept, completely new concept. Really, this type of way we didn't think like. So there was a discussion with one student. Clone yourself. Don't feel that, sorry, don't feel that you are only the person who is going to do that. N number of people are going to do that. Just train them. First time, they may not do perfectly. Second time, they may not do perfectly. 10th time, they may do 10 percentage. But 100th time, definitely that person is going to do. Definitely that person is going to do 100% perfect. 100% perfect. Then once that person is perfect in your lifetime, in your life, the remaining times, happily that person is always going to do that. That's why delegate completely. Peak level of delegation, clone yourself. That thing must be highly recommended. What is the need of delegation? What is the advantage of delegation? Can you please tell? What is if I delegate completely or if I start delegating, what advantages we are going to get? Anyone, can you please tell?
Results.
Yes, friend?
We can focus on higher activities. Because
Exactly.
of that reason, we will get higher results and higher output.
Perfect. Perfect. So we are going to get biggest, we are going to get biggest results. The biggest advantage what we are going to get is our time is going to be saved. Our energy is going to be saved. Correct, right? Respond.
Yes.
Our time is going to be saved. Our energy is going to be saved because of delegation. Now we can use that time, that energy, that focus on higher level activities so that more success, more growth by default will be there. That's what, right? Okay, what we discussed up to this. Okay, if you are going to delegate how many things, that much freedom, that much success, that much happiness, that much money, by default you are going to get. That's why delegation is the shortcut. Delegation is the shortcut you require to use.